So how
No.
often when you go in to stage a home, like you've got the knickknacks and you've got that all settled, how often are people replacing the floors? Like, is that
Oh,
realistic
and then,
option? Yeah.
um, and we're back. Yes, it's an option. Here's the deal. If I walk into a home and I say, how long have you lived here? And they say 12 years. And I say, have you replaced the carpet since you've been here? And they're like, no. I'm like, ew. Everybody's going to see that.
Yep.
And what people think is 12 years of your feet and all of that. It's so dirty and disgusting. So I say we need to replace the carpet because this is another thing that I like to say. I am the kind of stager that I don't want the buyer to have any questions. When they come to this home, the carpet has been replaced. It is brand new. Because if they do have questions and they see that the carpet that needs to be replaced, they're already spending your money instead of giving you a higher offer.
Oh, that's so smart.
So they're like, oh, we need to paint this bathroom because it's canary yellow.
Yep.
We need to replace carpet because it's 12 years old. So yes, we have to replace carpet. I replace carpet just because replacing carpet is cheaper than adding LVP, engineered floors, or hardwoods.
Yep.
And that's just for a sell.
Oh, yeah, of course.
When you buy the home and you still want to replace the floors because you know that we just put in low pile builder grade carpet to make it look good, then here's the deal. You either want LVP or you want hardwoods. There is no convincing the buyer of what they want. They either want something or the other.